The Internet of Things has revolutionized our lives. From tracking valuable cargo to finding the fastest route, IoT is making us more efficient. It's improving our well-being and putting food on the table. It's securing remote transactions. It's driving manufacturing profitability. Protecting assets and reducing operating costs. It's optimizing production while decreasing our carbon footprint. Create a smarter world from end to end with Telit.